Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, let me present you the new special chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me. After partying, the two finally came back home. Miss G, we are here. Jishao said, did you lie? Finally, they've been home. Right now, Jishao is making sure her father won't notice. Right now, Wei Xingyu is sleeping. Jishao is touching hers. Well, she must really exhausted and drinks a lot. Right now, she really falls asleep. Jishao said to her, you can go back first. She was asking the driver to go back and leave them alone in the car. The driver finally agreed. Well, right now, the driver finally left them. Doors clicking. Jishao, she was looking at Wei Xingyu. At this moment, she put Wei Xingyu on her lap to be able to get off her shoes. She lifted it up gently. Now she's going to remove Wei Xingyu's shoes so she can sleep soundly. Right now, Wei Xingyu is suddenly waking up and it really surprised Jishao. Her foot is going into hers. She goes straight to the other side of the car. Seeing you, pushed Jishao on the other side. Now she's awakened. She was calling Jishao. Seeing you said to her, I'm here. Oh, this girl. She must really getting drunk. Also, right now. Jishao, she's grabbing Wei Xingyu's feet. She hold it. Well, she looks really embarrassed. Although she was really blushing right now. Jishao, she moved closer to her. Well, she said, is it? Right now, Jishao. She really drunk also. Grab Wei Xingyu's. Grab her tightly. Well, the stocking, her dress, are falling down. And I would rather obey your orders than be respectful. Jishao said to her. Now she really moved closer to Wei Xingyu. Suddenly, she moved closer and she kissed her gently. But Wei Xingyu, she became playful to her. Right now, she really kissed back. Although, looking at her, she looks really uncomfortable. Well, Jishao is really punishing her. In a good way, they must be really close to each other right now. On the other hand, Jishao, she was hugging her tightly. Well, it seems that she really moved closer to tease her. She was hissing right now. Jishao, she's getting tricky. But also, right now, can be seen outside the car. Jishao spinning down, facing you on the back car. Well, right now, facing you, she looks really uncomfortable. I said to her, your clothes are so tight. Oh, this girl. Right now, she tear off the dress of facing you. Well, Jishao, she's getting rough. Also right now, Jishao said to her, are you feeling better now? Well, it really makes sense. She really tear off the clothes. Now, facing you, she was blocking her eye. Of course, she was really embarrassed. Also, she was really shy. Suddenly, Jishao moved closer to her. She kissed her soft and gently. Well, it was really a soft kiss, and it's really getting intense. Right now, feelings are being heightened, and it's really unexplainable. It was a long night for them. It was next day, and early in the morning. The servant seems to be worried. Strange, why is this lady's car parked here? Now, Aunt's gonna approach the car. She really want to check the car. Why suddenly park in front of the house? Usually, it will leave at night. But when she moved closer, she's seeing Jishao looking at her, and it's really mad at her. Seems that she want to go away. Well, as of now, Jishao, she don't want to be disturbed. She was with Wei Xingyu. Well, Wei Xingyu. At this moment, the two of them still did not sleep full night, and they really stay on the car. Wei Xingyu seems to look exhausted, and she was calling Jishao and said to her, Jishao, I love you. Now, she was really blushing, and Jishao, she was looking down at her, and said to her, and you? Jishao said, I also. Oh, Jishao. She looks really cute on her outfit. Right now, the two of them still kissing each other gently. Well, they must really exhaust cause it's really whole night. Said to her, I am forever yours. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Special chapter exclusive only for the members. Thank you, bye.